The foundation for success with tires starts with tire pressure, and this doesn't matter if it's winter or summer. You always want the tires inflated to the recommended pressure. Now on every Tesla, you can go to the driver's door, open it up, and you're gonna see this sticker there, and it's gonna tell you exactly what the tire pressure should be set to. In the case of our brand new Model 3 Highland, it's 42 PSI. So I'm going to set the tire pressure to 42 PSI. In the winter, keep in mind, when it gets cold out, the air pressure drops. So you actually have to reinflate your tires anytime it gets cold out. So once it's cold for the winter, plan to inflate the tires. You can do that using a small inflator like this. We offer one of these at T-sportline. You can check it out here or in the link below. This is a USB rechargeable inflator. It's very easy to use. I power it up. I'm gonna toggle it over to PSI. I'm gonna set it to 42 PSI. And then we're just gonna install this on the valve stem of our TPMS. And when I install this, it's going to read the tire pressure. We're currently at 40.5, so about 1.5 pounds light. I'm gonna start this up, it'll take a minute, it'll stop automatically at 42 PSI, and then we can repeat on all 4 tires. Again, in the winter, it's critical, reinflate your tires first thing. Easy enough. I can repeat that on all 4 tires. I can throw this in the trunk of the Tesla, recharge it with USB-C, and anytime I can go out and check the tire pressure, whether it's summer or winter.